Good morning everyone. I am here to draw. Charot. Yan. Draw po tayo kasi whenever I'm not busy, I am here to draw or something like I'm doing my habit. This is my daily habit, guys, whenever I'm home. And I'm always doing this and I want my baby to learn how to draw, guys. Ayan. So while I'm here, I am not busy. That's why, I did everything at home na. I'm done cleaning at the house already. Okay, I'm done cleaning. Okay. So I'm here now to draw and this is the first step that I'm doing. Yan. First, layout muna ng face. Ayan. Naka-side view po siya, guys. Yan. I want her to have this. Okay. Okay, let's do the neck. Okay. Neck. Okay, medyo matangas yung ilong niya, guys. Okay. Okay, yung long hair niya. And I want her to have long hair. So, ako masusunod kasi ako yung nag-drawing guys. Okay. I want her to have, okay. Medyo may color yung damit niya. Okay, lagyan natin ng color. Yan, guys. Okay, malabo ba? O, nalalabuan kayo. Ako malinaw pa rin, guys. Ayan, guys, ha. So, medyo naka-close yung eyes niya. Yan. So, ito yung ilong niya, guys. Medyo matangos din, guys. So, ito yung lip niya. Ayan, lagyan natin ng medyo para kunwari naka-lipstick siya. So, later na, ilalagyan ko siya ng color. So, guys, for anything else, I would like to greet hello to all of my followers and non-followers. Thank you for watching anyway. My daughter said, thank you for watching. Okay. If you love what I'm doing, okay, just subscribe to my Facebook account. Okay. If you have time, guys, you can follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay. I have my YouTube channel, guys, at Crystal Jade Nabo. So, thank you anyway. That is lasso, ponytail. Lasso. We're going to put decoration here. Flowers, for example, yan, any decoration that that one is ribbon, okay guys, and because it's already 2 minutes and it's getting 3 minutes pala. Okay guys, later I'm going to put color. Okay, this time I have to end my drawing.